So as we were saying, what were you saying earlier? Sister, wait, oh, your mouth is smelling. Oh. Do you know? Are you aware that your mouth is smelling? It's not supposed to be. I'm sorry that I have to say it like this. Welcome, it's me again, your everyday woman. What is that smell coming from your mouth? Eh? How do you deal with this smell that is coming from your mouth? Especially when you're fasting. Another January is coming. 20 days fasting, 21 days, 40 days, 7 days. People's mouth will begin to smell. Excuse. That should not happen to you. As an everyday woman, that smell should not happen to you. When you have closed your mouth for a long time and you're not talking, you are not eating, nothing is happening, your mouth will begin to smell. That is what causes the smell. And so you must brush your mouth daily. You must brush 2 times or 3 times daily, especially when you're fasting. And if you know that you're not at home, you are going to work and you cannot brush your mouth, look for something that you can put in your mouth that will stop the smell from coming. Yes, maybe like it is not safe to keep chewing gums. I'm not a fan of chewing gum because by the time you're of age, when you get to your old age, you begin to have space in your gum. You begin to have holes because of chewing gums. I keep telling a lot of young people, but they don't believe. They think I'm just envious or something, but that is what happens to you. Maybe your dentist has not told you, but by the time you keep chewing gums, when you are of age, you start experiencing spaces in your teeth. Yes, because of the gums. You begin to have air in your gum, and it is not safe. So I will not advise you to chew gum during this period, but just look for something. Maybe once in a while you gargle with salt and water, warm water. Yes, to keep the freshness in your mouth, because your mouth will always be stale and it will have odor. Yes, that is why you have odor in your mouth. But there are some people that they don't know how to wash their mouth, and that is why there's odor. They naturally have mouth odor, not even with the fasting. Yes, they don't know how to wash their mouth. When you brush, make sure that you're brushing on top of the roof of your mouth. Brush the roof of your mouth. Brush your tongue properly. Some people even have scrapers. Scrape your tongue. Wash your tongue well. That is where the odor is. And then you need to wash away all the food particles that have settled in your mouth. That is why we encourage flossing. We encourage you gargling with salt water. If you cannot floss,